Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? So, what's the prediction of Cardano? Could Cardano moving up in upcoming time or fails down? What's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? And what's the target of Cardano to they can hit the target or not? So, everything in this video is going very special for Cardano holder. Let's get started. But first of all, if you can see here, my friend, the Cardano very badly fails down minus 1.08%. Change occur in the last 1 hour. You can see here in the last 24 hours they also very badly fails down, my friend. Not just Cardano, my friend. If you can see here this time the crypto market has totally very badly fails down. You can see here especially the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, every coin, my friend. XOR fee is also, but Cardano is also, my friend. Only the Twitch coin, you can see here the viral coin in the world, my friend, they moving very fastly up, and this is also in the last 24 hours very badly fails down, my friend. So come to the point, my friends, to why Cardano fails down, because this is all crypto market very badly fails down in the last 24 hours. People starting selling, so exactly every cryptocurrency is moving fails down, my friend. My friends, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Please, if you are new on our channel, most welcome. Click the red button for subscription, please. Thank you so much. Okay, come to the point, my friend. This time, if you can see here in the last 1 hour chart, I already show you I prediction after this, my friend. First of all, you can see what you watch this time the change occur, my friend. This time 0.26% change occur in the last 24 hours, my friend. Very badly change occur. This is not my friend positive change, this is negative, exactly, my friend. So why they negative, I told you, my friend. But you can see here this time, first of all, the price of latest, you can see here this time the current price is, my friend, 1.20 or 12 US dollar. But this time in the last 1 hour, my friend, they change occur. You can see here this point they gone positive, but I can't believe it. How is it possible to they fails down again? But this is the circulation, my friend. After you can see here after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So absolutely after this fails also they take a jump. So my friend, the good time is coming soon, my friend. So okay, let's see the last 7 days chart, and then we do a prediction, my friend, to upcoming days they moving up or they fails down, my friend. Okay, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, my friend, this is the first line, the highest price. You can see here the highest change occur. They touch it, my friend. You can see here this time they fails down, and after this fail they take a jump. You can see here, and this circulation they moving up. They circulation moving up, my friend. So after this jump, my friend, if you can see here they fails down. Absolutely, if you remember the last 1 hour chart, the last 1 hour change occur absolutely a negative minus 0.26% change occur in the last 24 hours. So my friend, sometimes they fails down, but don't remember to they go up again, because Cardano is not a simple coin, my friend. They very viral coin in the crypto market, my friend. So wait for a good time. I hope their price is increasing now and they can hit again half US dollar and 2 US dollar. Our target is 2 US dollar, my friend. I hope they can hit it. So my friend, my prediction is to upcoming time they fails down sometime, but again they take a very high jump, my friend. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of month, because this is the end of month. I hope they going up, my friend. You can see here they going up, exactly, my friend. But here, if you can see here, they also my friend, fails down sometime. After this is the circulation totally, my friend. You can see here after this spell they take again jump, my friend. So wait for the good time, Cardano holder. Thanks for watching. Please keep touch with us, subscribe ABS Tech channel, and press bell icon for videos notification.